We are so excited to be launching the details for our 2019 workshop schedule.
You might be wondering why there's just one 2019 workshop, and it's because we have listened to you and we are doing one great event with our favorite speakers and teachers at our very favorite venue. And it's going to be at a price that really makes sense for your business this year.
We would love for you to join us at the White Sparrow Barn just outside of Dallas, Texas in a city called Quinlan. We loved going there for Bloom Bash Dallas in 2017, so we just had to go back.
So we're going to be there for 2 days, November 5th and 6th, and we're going to spend time teaching you about blogging, social media, photography, design, styling, and then we're going to help you implement those tools while you're there with us.
We'll also eat together, answer all of your questions, do floral arranging, a styled shoot, learn calligraphy, but the best part is that you guys are going to lead with new friends in a creative industry that you can journey along with.
Our website to find out all the details, and most importantly, mark your calendars for Tuesday, November 27th, when our early bird pricing tickets go on sale.
We hope that we'll get to meet you next year, 2019, for Bloom Bash Dallas Round 2.